Picture this. You're on a beautiful beach. The sun is shining, the waves are crashing. But you're wondering, what can I do to make this moment even more special? Well, here's an idea. How about drawing? You can bring these beautiful memories back home in your sketchbook too. But then, the big question hits. What art supplies should I pack when my luggage is limited, but I still want to create amazing art? As a creative person, I've learned that inspiration can strike at any moment, and it's essential to have the right tools at your fingertips. So today we're going to talk about the travel essentials for artists and the best options for your next vacation. Let's dive in and get creative. Before diving into the specific mediums, let's talk about some essential art supplies that are a must-have in any travel kit. First up, whether you prefer graphite or colored pencils, having a couple of your favorites on hand is crucial. Next, an eraser, and a needed one too. Dark fine liner or brush pen is another essential. These are excellent for adding bold outlines and details to your artwork. Bringing a small selection of your go-to colors, markers or pencils allows you to add depth and vibrancy to your pieces without carrying a full set. Masking tape is a handy tool for achieving clean edges and borders in your artwork. It's also useful for holding your paper in place while you work, ensuring a crisp, professional finish. A clip to, well, you guess it, clip your pages. Especially when you're in a windy place, taking control of your paper isn't always the easiest and it can get really messy really fast. Lastly, a compact sketchbook or pad. A sturdy sketchbook provides a solid surface and keeps your artwork safe from damage. These essentials will form the backbone of your travel art kit, allowing you to stay creative and productive wherever you go. Now let's dive into the specific mediums and see which one might be the best fit for your travel needs. Let's start with alcohol markers. They are known for their rich colors and smooth application, making them a favorite for illustrations and graphic work. The alcohol-based ink dries almost instantly, so you don't have to wait between layers. This makes them ideal for quick sketches and when you're on the move. A set of alcohol markers can be quite large and heavy, taking up significant space in your luggage. This can be a drawback when traveling light. The alcohol in the markers can produce strong fumes, which might be uncomfortable in confined spaces, or for those sensitive to smells. Blending with alcohol markers can be tricky and often requires a lot of practice with layering techniques or different kinds of paper. They are also bleed-through, so they can create a mess in your sketchbook. The palette is limited to the colors you bring with you. However, you can create gradients and subtle color shifts by layering different shades. Next up, we have colored pencils, which are versatile and easy to use, making them ideal for sketching and detailed work. They are a staple for artists due to their precision and control. Pencils are easy to carry, and you can bring a variety of colors in a small, lightweight case. This makes them perfect for traveling with limited space. Pencils are excellent for intricate details and fine lines. You can achieve precise control over shading and textures, which is great for detailed illustrations. Pencils are clean and easy to manage. There are no spills or stains to worry about, and they don't produce any strong odors. Building up rich, vibrant color with pencils can take longer compared to other mediums. This might not be ideal if you're short on time. Pencil tips can break easily, and they require frequent sharpening. Carrying a sharpener and an eraser is a must, adding a bit to the bulk. While colored pencils can be rich in color, they often lack the intensity of markers or paints, which can make bold statements harder to achieve. Pencils blend well through layering and varying pressure. You can create smooth transitions and gradients, and blending tools can enhance this effect. You can mix and layer colors to create a wide range of hues. This allows for a versatile palette from a limited number of pencils, giving you flexibility in your color choices. Now let's talk about watercolors. These are water-based paints that offer a range of transparency and are beloved for their fluid and luminous effects. They are great for creating washes and delicate details. Watercolor sets can be very portable, with small travel kits that include a palette and water brush. They take up minimal space and are easy to pack. They are excellent for blending, as the colors mix naturally with water. They can be used for a variety of techniques, from light washes to fine details. This versatility makes them a favorite among many artists for different styles of work. Watercolors can take a while to dry, especially in humid conditions. This can slow down your workflow and make it tricky to transport your artwork immediately. Controlling the amount of water and pigment requires practice. Beginners might find it challenging to achieve the desired effects without a lot of trial and error. Finished pieces can be susceptible to water damage and might need protective measures when transporting. Remember that watercolors need paper that can take a lot of water, so you have to choose your travel sketchbook wisely. Watercolors blend seamlessly, allowing you to create soft gradients and mixed hues easily. You can re-wet areas to adjust colors, giving flexibility in blending. A few primary colors can be mixed to create a wide range of hues. This makes it easy to achieve a versatile palette with minimal supplies, enhancing your creative options. Finally, let's look at gouaches, often described as an opaque watercolor. Gouache is known for its vibrant matte finish and flexibility, allowing artists to work in layers from light to dark and vice versa. Gouache paints produce rich, solid colors that stand out on the paper. Their opacity allows for covering previous layers, which is great for corrections and bold designs. Gouache can be used similarly to watercolor for washes, but it can also be applied thickly, like acrylics for opaque layers. This versatility opens up many creative possibilities. Gouache requires more supplies, including brushes and water containers. This can make the setup bulkier compared to more compact mediums. If applied too thickly, gouache can crack when it dries. This requires careful layering and application to avoid issues with texture and durability. Like watercolors, gouache has a bit of learning curve to master its unique properties and achieve the best results. Gouache blends smoothly both on the palette and paper. You can achieve soft gradients and mix colors easily, providing great flexibility in your artwork. You can create a versatile palette by mixing a few basic colors. This allows for a wide range of hues, ensuring you have the right color for any part of your work. So, to sum it up, if you're looking for minimal gear, pencils are your best bet. Quick results, alcohol markers will be your friend. Versatility, watercolors are a great option. Rich colors with control, gouaches might be the way to go. You can also take just one ballpoint pen, which weighs almost nothing, and create awesome art without worrying about anything else. For my last vacation, I made a great decision by packing a small set of gouaches and pencils. I could use my everyday sketchbook because gouaches don't need as much water as watercolors, and I could mix paints to achieve my perfect color palette. This freedom allowed me to create whatever inspired me at the moment. But what truly mattered was the joy and comfort I felt while painting on the beach. In fact, I had so much fun that I think I've discovered my new go-to combination for future vacations. No matter which medium you choose, the key is to find that works best for your travel style. Pack light, stay creative, and enjoy your art journey. Let me know in the comments which medium you prefer for traveling and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy travels! Bye!